Alright, so I'm getting ready to go to the lake. I know it's still raining right now, but it's getting ready to finish up here soon. See what's going on, see how rough the water is. Just chill out and enjoy my Sunday. Oh yeah, you can see how rough it is right now. It's fairly rough out right now. Yo, what's up guys? Alright, I'm at work and I just dropped off the kids for the first school I go to. But this is what you gotta do. When they leave the windows down before they get out the bus, they ask me, can I put the window down? If it's hot out, no. Like if it's summer, no. I gotta put the windows up and then I can go to my next school. Dang, that was good. A little Waffle House. It's been a while. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna head out. Hit that thumbs up. It helps out a lot, alright? And subscribe for more. I upload Monday and Wednesdays. And I will see you in the next one.